Well, before we start my dinner tonight, which is gonna be the last video tonight. Yeah, there's no stars out. Well, there is, but the clouds are all out right now, so no star hunting tonight. Just let everybody know. Maybe tomorrow night, but I don't know when the next time I'm gonna be able to go star hunting unless next week. Because we're getting a lot of snow this week, so I don't know what day this week, next time I'm gonna be able this week to go star hunting, but I'll try to see tomorrow. But I know Thursday into Friday uh, it's gonna be it's going to be really snowing outside. So I know for a fact I'm not gonna be able to start hunting that night. So anyway, got myself some veggie burgers and some squash, butternut squash. And this is my dinner tonight. And I was gonna do like separate, like put titles, but I decided I'm not going to, because just put it the same. My dinner tonight. Howdy Food Reviews. My dinner tonight. Yeah, they have butternut squash in the freezer section now, I guess. Tastes pretty good. I didn't know they had butternut squash in freezer section, but they do. Every dinner for the last like 2 months almost, I've been trying to have a vegetable every dinner. Most of the time, dinner is vegetables. Like sometimes it's just have a can of sweet potatoes, some hot sauce. Put some hot sauce on it. It's pretty good. Got some tea right here. Eat my veggie burger. Scale rating I would give. Actually, did my this is I did my dinner all by myself tonight. Usually not really. I usually don't really cook, but I did it all myself tonight. Anyway, scale rating of 1 to 10, I give this a 9. Peace.